So you guys are looking, how do I double my money in a day? It might be a little difficult, but I'm actually going to show you a method that I would use, an affiliate offer that I would use, but it's going to take some work and consistency if you want to do it in one day. So the offers I would start are high demand offers. One of the best offers that I have is a app called SoFi, the official bank of the NBA. So what's going to happen is, if you open a SoFi checking or savings account and deposit $50 in it, they will pay you $25, and it's usually instantly. And then every referral you get, they're gonna pay you $75. So every new person that gets the app, deposits $50 in a checking and savings account, they'll pay you $75. And the limit is, guess what? The limit is not $10, not $2,000, but $10,000 per calendar year. So imagine you download this app and you're gonna come in here and opt in. Just put your email in. Imagine you download this app, you put your money in, which is still your money, it's just in another bank account. They give you $25, and you can start off by, speaking to someone that you already know is ready to go. Do that for a few people and make possibly a few $100s right there. And then if you want to go online like I'm doing right now, the quickest route is going to be Reels. So it's going to be TikTok most likely. And like I said, I don't know how quick the video could go viral, but we'll put together some sort of video script, no more max than 60 seconds, and we'll start pushing that offer. I would just push that offer. I have other offers, but I would just push that offer as your main offer. Because it's easier. It's a checking and savings account that is mainstream. It's not something that just came out of nowhere. Plus, people are getting money just for opening the account, and they have a wallet, so you can, add your wallet card and use your money right away, or you can wait until you get your bonuses and transfer it back out, which it might take a few days depending on what bank you're using. But I use these third-party apps all the time. These are the apps that I am using. I use Chime the most. I might put my Chime link one day, but I use Chime the most when I'm purchasing stuff online. And then once we start adding some revenue in your pockets and you understand the level of marketing you need to start pushing these affiliate offers, I will grab the coaching, and this is going to, get you more mid-ticket sales. And then we have the Let's Go app. So if you like to stay with the apps, this app is $10 a month, and it pays you $8 a month, and it's a personal development and goals-driven app. And these three are the quicker money. This pays every week. SoFi usually pays every day. Let's Go pays once a month, but it's still easier since it's an app. Everything else is a little more of a learning curve, guys. Plus, I have, always check this out as well. And this is how I would double my money in a day.